In this video, we will show you how to replace your auxiliary port on this Ford Fusion. This will be located in your center console. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the auxiliary port. Now what we're going to do here is use a plastic trim tool so we don't damage anything. Carefully start prying it up along each edge and then gently pull it up and out of place. Keep in mind there is a wiring harness along the back side there. To disconnect your electrical connector, you want to find the locking tab. Go ahead and depress it and separate it. Once you've done so, give it a quick inspection for corrosion. Keep in mind, you don't want this wiring harness to fall down inside this area. It'll be a little hard to reach. There it is, friend. Before we set this aside for recycling, let's go ahead and remove the cover so we can transfer that over to the new unit. We'll just twist it as needed. Slide it right off of there. Let's install the cover unit into the vehicle. Slide the wiring through the center there. Now it's time for that electrical connector. Press it in, listen for a click. Carefully press this down into the vehicle. You want to make sure that you align it with the cover. You might have to twist just to get it aligned. Go ahead and close that cover. Okay friend, we've got our vehicle back together. At this point, go ahead and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.